Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through on how to update mobile number in Bubbleboard app. So to update your mobile number in the Bubbleboard app, which is the Bank of Baroda, here's the simple step-by-step guide you can follow to update your mobile number. So let's get started, and make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So in this video I have two methods that which you can use to update your mobile number. So let's start with the first method, which is to update using the Bubbleboard app. So open the Bubbleboard app, mobile app, and log in using your credential. Then tap on the service or provide settings, which depend on your app version. So if you have the latest app version, you should see any one of these, which is the service or the profile settings. Then after that, tap on the update mobile number, then enter your new mobile number and confirm it. Then you will receive an OTP on your old and your new number if available. Then enter the OTPs and confirm the update. Then the other method is to update using the ATM. So visit a Bank of Baroda ATM, then insert your debit card and enter the PIN. Then select service and tap on update mobile number. Then enter your new mobile number and confirm it. You will receive an OTP on your new number and enter it to verify. And that's how you can simply update mobile number in Bubbleboard app. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.